I'll make one last visit to Demo 24 to illustrate a very unique operator to the C language. This operator is called the increment operator. This is C's way of providing a more convenient way of writing a statement that will automatically increment a variable by 1. For example, we could change the statement num sales equal num sales plus 1 to simply read num sales plus plus, which is the increment operator. This tells C to add 1 to the previous value of num sales. Let's compile and execute the program to verify the program works. Remember that num sales is simply keeping track of the number of entries that I enter. So if I enter 1,000, and then 2,000, and then 5,000, and then a negative number to quit, it correctly calculates the average. It incremented each iteration through the loop by 1. This occurs through this num sales plus plus assignment statement. Keep in mind, however, that this is a very special purpose operator and only adds 1 to the previous value of the variable. By the way, C also has what's called a decrement operator, which is 2 minus signs instead of 2 plus signs. The decrement operator tells C to subtract 1 from a variable and then store the result in that variable. In this case, that's not what we want to do. But anytime you want to add 1 or subtract 1, remember that C has a special operator called the increment or decrement operator. It's interesting to note that this is why C++ is called C++. The designers of C++ simply wanted to use this operator in the name of the language. So therefore, C++ literally means C incremented. Or in another way of saying that is an enhanced version of the original C. You have been shown many of the tools available in the C language. And now with practice and some experimentation, you'll be able to write C programs that will perform many tasks while using the functions discussed here and others that you can experiment with.